None of some.
Hey guys, it's Tatiana. I'm back with another tutorial. Today we are going to be doing a watercolor method, and the color that I am going to be using is the Burgundy Envy by Adore. And I am going to be dyeing a wig that I dyed ash blonde. I want it to be a little darker, so we are just mixing up the color. I poured the color into the water already. The water is actually very hot right now, so I'm just mixing it with a knife, plastic knife. And excuse how I look, y'all, because I am not looking the best. Not at the moment, anyway. So before I actually do this for real, I need to test out how this is going to look, because I'm kind of nervous about it. It's supposed to be burgundy, but you know, it's 613 hair, so it's gonna show up super light if it needs to. Shit. It actually is looking a little darker than the color that I got originally. But this is just one strand, so let's just... Okay, y'all, so this is the color. Let me bring my little lamp a little closer, because this is the color that it is turned out, and it is so pretty. It's like a purple burgundy red, like that. It's just like a pinkish red. I don't know. It's really, really pretty though. Like super cute. This shit needs to be deep conditioned like a motherfucker. That's all I know. That's what a mirror, shorty. But the color is very pretty. It's like a pinkish, I don't know. Kind of glad that I went with a more of a red, because more reddish pink, because I feel like it matches me. But I love my blonde though. I ain't even gonna lie. But it was time for something new, and yeah, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to wash this out and come back, and I'll show you guys what it looks like for a final look once everything is washed and dried. Hey guys, so I'm back, and I just wanted to show you guys what my hair color looked like after everything was all done and styled and everything. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And here are some pictures for you guys to see, and thank you guys for watching.